Welcome! Today, we're diving into an exciting feature on Instagram that allows you to create engaging reels from your story highlights. This updated method is simple and effective, perfect for showcasing your best moments. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to explore your profile. Next, click on your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your profile page, where all your highlights are neatly organized. Now, look under your bio for the highlights section. Here, you'll find all the stories you've saved. Scroll through and select the highlight you want to turn into a reel. Once you've chosen your highlight, click on Create Reel. This option will appear as a prompt once you select the highlight. Instagram will automatically gather the clips from your selected highlight and prepare them for editing. After clicking Create Reel, it's time to make your changes. You can rearrange clips, trim them, or even add new content from your camera roll. Feel free to get creative. You can also enhance your reel with music, text, and effects to make it more engaging. Once you're satisfied with your edits, click Next. Here you can add a catchy caption and include relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Don't forget to choose a cover photo that represents your reel well. Finally, it's time to share your creation. Click on the Share button to post your reel on your profile and stories. This way, your followers can enjoy the highlights you've transformed into a fun and dynamic video format. And there you have it. You've successfully created a reel from your Instagram highlights. This feature not only helps in repurposing content, but also keeps your audience engaged with fresh material. So go ahead and start creating.